What if one product photo could generate an entire marketing campaign? The ads you're seeing right now all came from a single image. Normally, businesses need separate photo shoots for social media, seasonal promotions, lifestyle ads, and video campaigns. That means more time, more budget, and more production work. But today, I'll show you how I turned one product image into multiple marketing creatives, AI videos, and a complete campaign package using CapCut PC. Step 1. Download CapCut PC. To follow along, click the CapCut PC 1 link in the description below. Instead of searching online, simply use the link, download CapCut PC, create your account, and open a new project. Once inside, you'll find tools like AI image, AI video, video translator, and more. Today, we'll focus on AI image and AI video. I'll start with AI image and select GPT Image 2. Prompt 1. Modern lifestyle product advertisement, young professional using the product inside a bright contemporary office, natural sunlight through large windows, realistic photography, premium commercial quality. After entering the prompt, I'll select the settings and click Generate. This gives me a realistic lifestyle that looks ready for social media advertising. Step 3. Create a premium commercial creative. Now let's create a completely different marketing angle. Prompt 2. Luxury commercial product photography. Product displayed on a floating platform, elegant spotlight lighting, premium studio environment, dramatic shadows, cinematic advertising look, ultra-realistic, high-end brand campaign. Looks like something a premium brand would use in a professional advertisement. Prompt 3. Summer marketing campaign advertisement, vibrant outdoor setting, bright sunshine, colorful environment, energetic promotional atmosphere, realistic commercial photography. Now, I have a completely different campaign without doing another photo shoot. Prompt 4. Happy customer naturally interacting with the product, realistic everyday environment, authentic lifestyle photography. Now, one product image has become multiple marketing assets targeting different audiences. Now let's transform these images into video advertisements. I'll open AI video and upload my first generated image. For video generation, I'll select Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. Slow cinematic camera push-in, elegant lighting movement, realistic reflections, click Generate. Within moments, the static image becomes a professional video ad. Now let's create another version. I'll upload the lifestyle image. Natural character movement, smooth camera tracking shot, realistic environmental motion, dynamic advertising energy, commercial video quality, cinematic depth, engaging social media advertisement. Generate again using Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. Now I have multiple ad variations from the same product. If you'd like to try CapCut PC yourself, click the one link in the description below and download it today. Or comment CapCut and I'll send you the link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.